I'm Gary at BioPharma Manufacturing Solutions. We designed the fast-track manufacturing system for new clinical drugs. First problem we address is a human problem. 133 million Americans with chronic incurable diseases, and that number is rising. And there's over 7,000 rare incurable diseases where there's no cure and there's no treatment. And what's the industry doing? Well, they have their challenges. It's $2.6 billion in 3 to 10 years on average to bring a new drug to market. And 9 out of those 10 new drugs are going to fail. So what do? We have a solution. Our fast-track manufacturing system for new clinical drugs that can scale up and manufacture any new drug in 7 months versus 3 years. We increase the chance for FDA approval, and we guarantee our work. The pharma outsource market's a large market, $160 billion. We're targeting initially the clinical scale-up and manufacturing and the consulting markets. 3 ways we make money. First, our fast-track scale-up and manufacturing system for new clinical drugs, as we point out in our solution slide, and our contract manufacturing capability for FDA-approved drugs. If a client comes to us with a new drug, and we scale it up and we manufacture it, and they subsequently get approved by the FDA, we can take the manufacturing suite we produce that drug in, turn it into a production suite, and within 60 days from our client getting FDA approval, we can be supplying their drug to market, helping them gain market share, and also deliver their drug to patients who need their drug, while they're simultaneously designing, building, validating, and getting FDA approval on their permanent facility or suite, which is going to take 1 to 2 years. We can also manufacture small lots in our manufacturing suite for drugs that are already on the market, and these are lots up to 500 liters. Consulting services are a third way to make money. That's the way we source the revenue for the company now. We're going to continue to grow these services. Our go-to-market plan. We're going to expand the consulting services revenues. We're going to install a direct marketing campaign to secure the first drug manufacturing contract. Now we have traction. We've earned over $320,000 to date, solving problems for our Fortune 500 pharma and biotech clients. What's special about us? Well, our team has a 100% first-time FDA approval track record with 19 FDA manufacturing approvals over the last 20 years. Now, every contract development and manufacturing organization, if you look at their website, is selling the same benefits. But here's where we differentiate ourselves. We have a fast-track delivery, again, 7 months versus 3 years. We have a done-for-you system that includes the FDA submissions. We have an electronic data collection analysis system that helps us streamline the FDA submission packages, and secondly, allows us to troubleshoot our client's drug when they're in the trials if they have any efficacy or any yield type problems. And last, we have our guarantee. We're seeking $2 million to secure our first drug contract, build out our manufacturing suite, and deliver our first new clinical drug. Now we know there's risk. The first risk is we can't get our first drug project, so we'll have to live off our consulting services and that revenue. Second, we get a drug project, we have trouble technically delivering first time around. While I know we have great capabilities on our team, we operate at low cost, and we have a fast-track methodology that allows us to still adjust and provide an accelerated delivery for our client. That's the BioPharma fast-track manufacturing system for new clinical drugs versus the status quo. You know what you get with the status quo. Let's disrupt the system and help a lot of people out who are waiting for new drugs to take care of these human problems. Thank you.